Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Xbox Game Pass rewards not unlocking, Microsoft Reward progress not tracking. The fix 1, verify your Game Pass subscription. Sign in with the Microsoft account that owns your Game Pass subscription. Make sure your subscription is active and eligible for Microsoft Reward Quest. Fix 2, check the quest requirement. Ensure you have completed all the required objects such as playing as eligible Game Pass or earning any achievement. Now some request only works with specific Game Pass title. Fix 3. Wait for the reward to sync. Keep your console connected to the Xbox Live. Wait 15 to 60 minutes after completing the quest as tracking can be delayed. Fix 4. Restart your Xbox console. Hold the Xbox power button for about 10 seconds to shut it down. Then turn the console back on and launch the Game Pass game again. Fix 5. Sign out and sign back in. Sign out of your Microsoft account. Restart your Xbox and sign back in to refresh your reward session. The fix 6, update your Xbox and Xbox app. Install the latest Xbox system update. Then update the Xbox app or game services if you play on PC. The fix 7, check for Microsoft reward service issue. If many users are reporting the same issue, it may be a server side problem. Wait until Microsoft resolves the outage before trying again. Fix 8, contact Microsoft reward support. If reward still does not unlock, submit a contact Microsoft reward support request with screenshot for the completed quest and your active Game Pass subscription. Goodbye and thanks for watching.